Okay, so if you're not, hey, so probably if you have a Mac and you basically purchased the Apple Music subscription for 2 months and now you just have Spotify to listen to music and you never use Apple Music, and you click the F8 key, which is basically the key to play. As you can see, Apple Music plays. Basically, Apple Music opens, and you just have Spotify, and you want to open Spotify whenever you click that F8 key instead of Apple Music opening. So you're doing nothing, you want to open Spotify with that key, but Apple Music opens. How can we do this? We have a solution, so let's start. So click on there, it's gonna download. So it downloads. Once it downloads, you double click on it and it's gonna appear like this. Leave it that way. Let's for now close this one. Basically, you go to settings. Now you go to general and then to log in items and extensions. Now once you're here, you're gonna click on the plus sign. You click on it and then you're gonna go and see that NoTunes is here on the downloads. So you're gonna select open. Once that happens, you're gonna go to your downloads, you're gonna double click and you're gonna say open. NoTunes is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure? Yeah, this always appears. Also when you download a WhatsApp, it appears, so no worries. Open. Now it should appear in the menu bar this icon, which is, if that appears, great. If not, try to do it again. Now if it appears, this basically already blocks Apple Music. Let's literally just click on the F8 one, and as you can see, it doesn't open. Now if I get rid of this cross, get rid of the cross on the Apple Music logo, now it will be able to go to Apple Music. Let's try. There you go. So that means it works, right? We put that, cannot go there, we get rid of it, we can go to Apple Music. Now we have got rid of Apple Music, so now we click F8 and we cannot go to Apple Music, but our objective is to go to Spotify. We want to go to Spotify. So what is the next step? The next step is to write a script. Very simple. Now we're going to go to script editor. Since my Spotlight is not working, I don't know why, I'm going to go here, script editor. We open, and then you need to go to new document, and now you're going to copy the script that I paste on the description, which right now I have it on notes. I'm going to go to notes. It's right here, is this one. Very simple script. And now in order to see if this works, you need to play it here, and if the theory is correct, Spotify should open and automatically play. As you can see, it says tell the application that Spotify to activate, or meaning open, and to play whatever it was playing. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it is clearly working. Let me get rid of Spotify. So now that we know it's working, let's save the script. So we go to File, we go to Save, and let's put the name as Play Spotify. And now this is very important. The file format needs to be as application, and then save it to applications. This time I'm gonna save it here, applications. And the reason why it appears in favorites is because I basically put it in favorites, as you can see. There's 2 applications. I don't know why it works best on this one, which is the one that is, as you can see, after your username. So it has users, ernestocabral in my case, and then applications. This one is very different from this one, because this one is after Macintosh HD, and this one is after Macintosh IT users Ernesto Cabral applications. That is the right one, okay? So I save it right there. This is very important. Save, and there you go. Now, there you go. There's an application, and in order for us to test it again, we click on it. It works. Now let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. And now we need to go to the terminal. Let's open the terminal, and you're simply gonna copy the command that I also wrote down in the description, which is this one. It says defaults write digital blah 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 replacement, and then the most important thing that you need to do is to replace this. Obviously, since my name is Ernesto Cabral, my username is Ernesto Cabral, but you need to replace it by your username. So Ernesto Cabral, applications, play Spotify. Obviously, this name needs to be the same as the script that we wrote, as I previously said. That one is play Spotify. As you can see, we go to applications, say play Spotify, and that's why it also is very important for that script to be an application type, not a script but an application type, because it says .app. Okay, so we copy this, we put it in the terminal, enter, and now in theory, whenever we click on the F8, Spotify should open. Just for a while. And there you go. Now, that's it. Whenever you click the F8, instead of going to Apple Music, it's gonna go to Spotify and automatically play whatever you were playing. 3, 2, 1, go. Simple as that. Now, as you can see in the menu bar, this is still going to be there. So if you want to get rid of it, just click on it and hide icon, and that's it. It's still gonna work. Without that, you click on the F8 key, and this still activates. So it's the same, right? Basically, what we did was to download NoTunes, which is an application that already blocks Apple Music, right? And obviously, this is in case you are not gonna use Apple Music at all and use Spotify. If you want to use Apple Music too, then this doesn't make any sense. But yeah, basically we block Apple Music with this. Obviously, if you want to unblock it, then you need to eliminate this, and obviously you need to go to your settings again. You go to your settings, and then you go to login items and section, and you click here, and you need to click on the less sign, minus sign, sorry, and then you basically need to get rid of the app, which I recommend this app, which is called App Cleaner. In order to get rid of it, you go here, you drag it here, and it's gonna remove everything, and you're gonna remove. Right now, I'm not gonna remove it because I'm gonna leave it right there. But this is basically how you do it, man. You replace Apple Music by Spotify on this key. I don't know, for some people it may be very helpful, for some people it may seem like a dumb thing to do, but I think it's pretty good. It's pretty good, and it's very easy to do. Like, all you need is to download NoTunes, activate it, then create a script that basically opens and plays Spotify, and then on the terminal, put that script into the NoTunes functionality, and that's it. Now you have this beautiful feature. In case you don't have Apple Music and you just have Spotify. So yeah, that was it. Hopefully this was a great video.